Oh my gosh, yo, I don't know why we keep doing these early flights. It's about 4:47, 4:48 early. But you know, we heading down to San Antonio, some professional development action, a couple conferences, plus some extras, y'all. Till then, we gonna hang out here at this Melbourne airport, making our way. Coming with me, let's go. Yeah, so y'all ain't missed much on day one, just checking in the hotel, getting stuff set up. But here we are, day two. Look who we found. Finished up a long day of some professional development, heard from some good leaders, and now I'm rocking this thing. Jackie, appreciate you letting me use the Jeep for a quick trip. But I was just praying that, you know, no other Jeep people were out there, because I don't know y'all's special wave.
What's up,
Yo!
What's up, bro? The grass is dying, bro.
That's alright, so we're gonna take care of this yard real quick. We're gonna take care of some business here at the house and see what's up with some Texas style showtime. See y'all in a minute. Yeah, small kind setup, y'all. So we just finished setting up, yo. This Texas heat, y'all. I'm going back to Florida. I miss Melbourne. Check the venue. Yes. Just a different type of venue out here. Melting. San Antonio is 10 feet from the sun. I want to go home.
Tonight is the night for love and delight in Tahiti. Come and play with me along the rolling blue sea in Tahiti. Oh, the moonlight will shine and then all things divine you'll see. Tiaras will bloom with your sweet perfume in Tahiti. Yorana, 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 Tahiti. Come and dance, take a chance with the dance of romance in Tahiti. Tahiti.
Us again. We are Hiti Mahana Polynesia. You can find us on social media at Hiti Mahana Polynesia or hitimahana.com. Mahalo again and aloha! Thank you guys. Have a great night.
Yes. So yeah, show number one. We about to pack up, make it to number two. Yes. So we done wrapped up show one, heading into eating on the run.
Rude food on wheels.
Rude food on wheels.
Oh yeah. Shout out.
Kind of a collab at the show. Shout out to them. Good food.
Correct the spelling of musubi, please.
Yeah, y'all should fix that. But other than that, the food's bomb.
Oh yeah.
So we on the run. Show number two on the way. Be there in a minute, y'all. Yes, show number two. San Antonio, Texas. More like Alamo Ranch-ish. Ready Road. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what that last show, they put something in the drink. But we ready to do this next one. Still sweating, y'all. Texas, no. We ain't going through this. I'm going back. Florida, I miss you. So we just chill. Wait a minute. I'm about to chill even better. Yes. And that's how they take care of us around here. Sir? Shining. Yeah, we're back in Texas when they got the Shining. Shining box. Our hard work is done. Still gotta play the music, but look, they still ain't doing nothing. Man. I'm just kidding, y'all. These dancers work hard. They do work hard. I've been messing with them. Y'all, so I'm just a few minutes late for linking up with this Texas team. Gonna drum for them here in a second, but my tardiness is not in vain, y'all. We getting it. Got the Whataburger classic with bacon. In the battle of In-N-Out versus Whataburger, y'all. Hate me if you want, whatever. This is the move.
We're doing Korean barbecue.
Yeah. Like and subscribe. Somehow, we always end up on it. Yes. You see all this.
I think it's like the fastest I've ever prepared anything.
Yeah, y'all. So I know last time I said we're done with the early flights, man, but quick, nice, easy trip to San Antonio. Grab the kolache, y'all. Gotta jump on this bird. Stop in Atlanta for a little bit. Yo, so I done had this card for a long time, and I think I'm finally about to see what it's all about. Pardon me as I get all sophisticated. Yes. All right, y'all, that's enough of living this high life, you know. Time to get on back to the real world. So, nice, easy trip down to Texas. Kind of enjoying this Delta Sky Lounge. But appreciate y'all coming through as always. We're gonna take it on in back home. You know, as always, click that button right there. Until next time, y'all. Peace.